How to prepare spiritually before you start a fast. Most people think fasting is difficult because of hunger. But the real reason many struggle is much simpler. They start their fast without preparation. They enter a fast without preparing for it. Do we need to prepare for a fast before we begin? Absolutely. You prepare for a fast physically, mentally, and spiritually. By this you prepare your body ready for the fast. You prepare your mind ready for the fast, and lastly prepare your spirit ready for the fast. Then you're assured of an exciting time on your fast. Your fast comes under your control and you enjoy the fast throughout the duration of the fast. What happens when preparation is missing? When preparation is missing, confusion, frustration, and early quitting usually follow. Today, I'll show you how to prepare physically, mentally, and spiritually before you start a fast, so your fast becomes peaceful, focused, and purposeful. Continuity bridge. In the first video, we clarified what spiritual fasting really is. In the second, we talked about how long a beginner should dry fast. Now comes the step that determines whether fasting brings clarity or stress. Preparation. Preparation is key to a successful dry fast. While the idea of abstaining from food and water might seem overwhelming, taking the right steps to prepare sets you up for success and fulfillment. Why spiritual preparation matters. Here's something beginners need to understand. Fasting doesn't create spiritual issues, it reveals them. If your heart is unsettled, fasting will expose it. If your focus is scattered, fasting will amplify it. Preparation gently settles the body, mind, and spirit before the fast begins. When you prepare properly, hunger feels manageable, prayer feels clearer, emotions feel lighter, and the fast feels intentional, peaceful, and not forced. Preparation doesn't make fasting harder, it makes it peaceful and convenient. Step 1. Set your intention. Before you remove food, you must define why you're fasting. Spiritual fasting without intention becomes religious effort. Your preparation for the fast. The preparation includes the following. 1. Setting your goal for the fast. 2. Getting yourself ready. Prepare your body, mind, and spirit. 3. Planning the fast. Setting your goal for the fast. Do a soul searching at this stage to pin down why you want to observe a fast. What are your reasons for deciding to do this fast? What benefits or transformations are you looking at? Am I listening, or am I trying to control outcomes? Your benefits or transformation may be for a healing B, deliverance C, spiritual growth D, detox E, clarity F, alignment G, renewal. Choose a convenient day for your fast. Inform close friends, family if needed for support. Your intention doesn't need to sound impressive. It just needs to be honest. A simple intention is enough. I want to quiet myself and align my heart. That clarity alone changes everything. Step 2. Heart check, not perfection. Many beginners think they must become spiritually perfect before fasting. That's not true. Preparation is not about perfection. It's about honesty. Before you fast, release guilt. Let go of pressure. Forgive where needed. Drop the need to perform. God responds to sincerity, not spiritual performance. If your heart is open, you are ready. Step 3. Simplify your environment. Spiritual preparation often looks very practical. Before fasting, reduce or remove noise. Limit distractions. Step back from unnecessary media. Create a quiet space for your fast. You're not adding more spiritual activity. You're removing what competes for attention. Preparation is subtraction, not addition. Silence prepares the spirit. Step 4. Pray before you fast. Pray your beginning of fast prayer before you start your fast. This is very important because fasting goes together with prayer. Prayer before fasting doesn't need to be long or scripted. A simple prayer of surrender is enough. You might say, I quiet myself before you. I choose alignment, not control. Guide me. Prayer before fasting sets direction so the fast doesn't drift. Without prayer, fasting becomes effort. With prayer, fasting becomes alignment. What not to do before fasting. Let me protect you from common mistakes. Before fasting, don't rush into it. Copy extreme fasts. Fast out of pressure or comparison. Ignore inner resistance without reflection. Spiritual growth is not rushed. Wisdom always moves at a calm pace. Are you ready? Simple self-check. Before you begin your fast, ask yourself, do I know why I'm fasting? Am I willing to listen, not control? Have I created space for quiet reflection? If the answer is mostly yes, you're ready. Readiness is awareness, not confidence. Here's a step-by-step guide to ensure you're ready. 1. Hydrate well before starting. In the days leading up to your dry fast, make sure to stay well hydrated. Drink plenty of water and consume hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables to prepare your body. 2. Ease into it. For your first dry fast, start small. Try fasting for 6 hours, starting from 6 in the morning to midday 12 p.m. Then gradually increase your dry fasting window safely. Once you've successfully completed shorter fasts, gradually increase the duration to 12 hours. That is from 6 in the morning to 6 in the evening, a dawn to dusk fast. Don't rush into a longer fast without practice. 3. Prepare mentally. Fasting is as much a mental challenge as it is a physical one. Set clear goals for why you're dry fasting and remind yourself of these reasons when the going gets tough. 4. Choose the right time. Schedule your fast during a time when you can rest and avoid intense physical activity. Weekends or days off work are ideal for your first fast. 5. Plan your post-fast meal. Plan a light, nutritious meal to break your fast. Avoid heavy or processed foods as they can overwhelm your digestive system after dry fasting. Closing and bridge to video 4. Preparation doesn't make fasting complicated. It makes it gentle. When your heart is aligned, fasting becomes a natural extension, not a struggle. In the next video, I'll show you how to start your fast simply and safely, step by step, without fear or pressure. Subscribe and continue with the series, because fasting done wisely leads to peace, not stress.